Is selling t-shirts dead? And can you still make money from selling t-shirts on the internet? Let's find out. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here and we don't know each other, my name's Kerry. I'm the founder of Shirt School. And I created this channel to bring you the best strategies, secrets, and hacks to grow your online t-shirt, apparel, or print-on-demand business. In today's video, we're going to pretty quickly debunk the question, is selling t-shirts dead? No, selling t-shirts is not dead. And yes, you can make a lot of money selling t-shirts. I know this question comes up kind of all the time. It's just kind of a revolving internet thing because t-shirts have been selling for so long, and they're probably one of the first things that you would think about selling if you want to sell something on the internet. But the fact of the matter is, t-shirts and apparel are so amazing because you can put any niche onto a t-shirt and it becomes a really unique product. And t-shirts are a commodity that everyone wears and everyone buys, and the average American owns over 27 t-shirts. And every year, the number one selling print-on-demand product is always t-shirts. They're forever going to be popular, and they've been popular for over 100 years. So selling t-shirts is not dead. And I'm kind of wanting to prove that to you today by just showing you a few designs that are crushing it right now. They're selling online right now. And in fact, another thing you might think is dead, Facebook ads. All these designs are selling with Facebook ads right now. So again, two things that a lot of people traditionally are like, is it dead? Selling t-shirts and using Facebook ads. And the reality is neither one are dead. So with that out of the way, let me dive into my computer. I'm going to show you some t-shirts that are crushing it out in the market right now. And hopefully you can get some inspiration and learn a little bit from today's video. So let's dive in. So we're looking at Profitbusters.com, and I've talked about this tool on the channel before, but essentially it lets you spy on winning print-on-demand products and print-on-demand designs that are selling out there right now in the markets. And if you want to check out this tool, I'll leave my link down in the description. Go check out Profitbusters. It's awesome. But I'm going to show you 4 t-shirts I found on Profitbusters, and we're going to talk about why they're successful, and hopefully it'll open your eyes and inspire you, give you some inspiration for your own designs. Let's dive into the first one. The first design we're looking at, it's in the books niche. It says, I rescue books trapped in the bookstore. I'm not a hoarder, I'm a hero. So pretty funny little saying here, but look at this engagement. 19,000 likes, 11,000 shares, and over 1.3 thousand comments on the ad. Now you can see kind of the other information that Profitbusters gives you here, and they kind of suggest more designs to look at the bottom. But why is this t-shirt design successful? Well, as you'll notice with some of the other t-shirt designs too, it is niche focused. It's a funny design that really invokes an emotion for book lovers. And so something that I see so often with students and with stores, I review a lot of stores and see a lot of stores. Everybody wants to have these branded kind of stores with their own brand or their own kind of creativity. But what I find, 99% of the time for 99% of most people is that if you just put out a niche focused design like this that instantly makes people laugh or feel an emotion, or feel a connection to that design, those are going to sell so much better than really a kind of branded, this apparel brand that you want to build. That's going to take a lot of time, and it's going to take a lot of effort and a lot of money, whereas you can have the quicker success and connect with people much quicker and faster with a niche-focused design on this with just a simple, funny saying, right? So that's the first design. The second one we've got pulled up here, I specifically love because it's combining niches. This is such a great strategy when you're coming up with designs for your print-on-demand products and for your t-shirts. Now, this is sold in hoodie, t-shirt, all kinds of different garments, but you see here, my plan for the day. You've got a girl on a surfboard, looks like, a cup of coffee, and a wine glass. So really, you're almost combining 4 different niches here. You've got this only going to women, because I don't think a man is going to wear, a t-shirt with a woman on it unless you've got a male version. You've got a surfboard, right? So women who surf, and you've got women who surf and drink coffee, and then you've also got women who drink coffee, surf, and drink wine. So you're combining all these. Look at the engagement. 4.3 thousand likes, 810 shares, 2.9 thousand comments. This design is crushing it out there. So this is another huge tip. So you've got a niche-focused design similar to what we talked about in the last design. This is especially for people out in the coastal areas next to the ocean. You've got this niche-focused design, but not only that, it's combining almost 4 different niches, really a demographic of women and probably a certain age group, and then 3 other niches with it. So 2 great strategies to go and get sales. Okay, our third design, we've got a baseball design. You can see what it says here. The only BS I need in my life is baseball season. Okay, so again, we've got a niche focused design. You can think about the baseball moms and dads out there who would wear this shirt, right? Niche focused design, but this is kind of introducing another element of a winning design, and that is things that are trending, right? Things that are happening right now as we're going into kind of spring baseball, summer baseball season, right? This is a great design, timely design. So you can see, super simple, really connects with that emotion. You instantly get it. You instantly connect with it if you're a baseball fan or a baseball parent. And third, it's capitalizing on something that is happening right now, baseball season, right? We just came out of spring, so we're in baseball season. And look at this engagement right here, 5.1 thousand likes, 1.8 thousand shares, and 430 comments. So a great design, very simple, something you could create just a few minutes. I love it. Love it. And our fourth design, crushing it right now. Juneteenth is my Independence Day. Another great design, pretty simple, and has all of these kind of elements that we've been talking about, right? This is likely being promoted out to the African-American female community, and it's capitalizing on something that is trending right now. We just had the Juneteenth holiday, and so it's capitalizing on that trending topic. Another thing that we just saw with baseball happening here. So another great design. Look at this engagement. 12,000 likes, 1.3 thousand shares, and 437 comments. So crushing it, right? And this looks like, again, just to reiterate, just going to women, right? We've got kind of a female outfit here. We've got a female African-American here on the t-shirt. So likely just being promoted to African-American females. Love it. Just awesome design. Okay, here's a quick recap of what we saw today. We saw 4 designs that are really doing well right now. You can see that selling t-shirts on the internet is not dead, and specifically selling t-shirts with Facebook ads is not dead. All these t-shirts were crushing it with Facebook ads. And so what did we learn today? Well, we learned that these niche focused designs that instantly connect with people and cause some kind of emotion, those are the best, right? Most of these were very simple, right? They're simple designs. They're easy just to pick up right away. We also found out that combining niches together, we saw the design with surfing and wine and coffee is a great strategy. And we also learned that if you can capitalize on something that is trending right now or happening right now, a holiday or an event or something that is in the news maybe being talked about a lot, there's a lot of talk around it, you can have so much more success. So I hope that you've learned a lot today. And real quick, if you're out there and you're kind of trying to figure out how to get started with an online t-shirt or print-on-demand business, I want to invite you to go check out our Jumpstart Print-on-Demand course. And it's really a kit. That Jumpstart Print-on-Demand kit, it's only $27. And what I did is I put together a kit of resources. It's not just videos, but there is some video training in there. There's also PDFs. There's also other tools that we have available here at Shirt School. I bundled that all together for $27, and it's designed to help you get started and get your online print-on-demand company launched. So it's a great value. I want to invite you to go check that out. Just go over to kerryegler.com/jumpstart. Give that a try. We'd love to have you join Jumpstart Print on Demand, and I'll see you next week.